it's Sam. So today we're going to be doing a dresser makeover. So I had previously mentioned that I bought some Easy Liner kind of wood adhesive in my, well, I think it was my home decor haul, and I had said that I wanted to make over Phoenix's dresser. So I'm currently in his bedroom and you are currently seeing the reveal. I should have waited, but I just feel like it's such a fun background. So today we're gonna be making over this dresser. I'm gonna show you the before, the full after, and this makeover, for me, it cost $6. We already had the gold spray paint that we had purchased. Honestly, we've had it for a long time. But the actual Easy Liner, I think, was like $5.96 or something like that. But if you're gonna buy the spray paint as well, I'm not really sure how much spray paint is, but I'm assuming it's around $5 or $6. So I think this is around $10 if you have to buy both of them. If you already have gold spray paint or whatever color spray paint you want to do for the knobs, then it's literally going to be a $6 makeover on a dresser. And I love the way it turned out. It's really cool, and I feel like it kind of just elevated the style in Phoenix's room and kind of made it look a little bit more mature for him versus just like a little boy's room. So I'm super excited. I cannot wait for you guys to watch and see the transformation. I did have the kids helping me, mainly Phoenix, so this was kind of a fun project for us all to do together. And now that I've seen how it turned out, I'm definitely going to be doing the nightstand, which I haven't done yet, but I think I've run out of paper, so I have to get new paper. I also think I'm going to do the bed as well, because the whole set was matching. We bought it from Ashley Furniture years ago when we lived in our in Montana, in our old house, and so we've had it for a long time. We've moved it a ton. It's scuffed up, so I think I'm going to try and do the bed as well as the nightstand, so it looks like it's one whole matching piece. I have to visualize what I'm going to be doing to the bed and how much more paper I will need, because I think it's gonna look really cool, and I'm super excited, and I feel like it's just gonna kind of make the whole room kind of tie in and look really just like a whole new vibe. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this and found it helpful. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is the dresser. So as you can see, we've got quite a lot of marks on here with, I don't know, permanent marker, who knows what. There's scuffs all along the top here, which look absolutely terrible. Especially this side, that looks so dirty, but it's not dirty, it's just scuffed. There we go. The bottom isn't too bad. And really there's only a couple drawers, but there's like a crack in this one. There's scuffs all along here. There's, this side isn't too bad, but you know, it's seen better days. What do you think, Lil? Does it need a refresher? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And the knobs are silver, so we're gonna paint those gold. So the first things that we need to do is clean off all the surfaces and just wipe everything off just to make sure it's nice and clean before we start sticking down the paper. It's the Easy Liner removable adhesive surfaces. And it just looks like this wood one. So we're just gonna give it a go. And if it looks terrible, it was only $5 and your time. So hopefully it doesn't look terrible and it will be awesome. So we're gonna take everything off and then we're gonna go ahead and clean it.
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got you wild upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got you wild upside down.
Hello, this is my room and they are doing a makeover. And here's Richard. Or Fiona. They're very cute. Good. Yeah, see you later, Fiona. Bye.
What do you think? Looks pretty cool. I think that's gonna look rather fun. See? Okay, pull it out all the way. Maybe like that. Okay. That'll look super duper.
Labyrinth will guide you far away to the place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got you wild upside down.
Okay, so I'm basically just going around the sides and I'm just going into all of the little crevices here and just pushing down. I might have to put a little slit in here because there is some kind of like little bubble. So we might just have to put in a little tiny slit right in this crack because it's just bubbling up a little bit. Okay, he's got a Cold Stone Creamery card, so basically as I pull, you're just gonna go back and forth like this and get all the bubbles out, okay?
Got it.
Oh no, look at this. We didn't measure right.
Of course you didn't.
Well, I was asking you if it covered and you said it did.
It did.
Ay, ay, ay.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without.
Okay, so the corners are a nightmare with this. So for the front, I'm just measuring out the exact amount of the front without flapping around on the corners so that I don't have to worry about corners, because the corners were horrible and they look atrocious on here. Also, we didn't measure the right side because I trusted the kids on that side, and so part of it is uncovered, so I'm gonna have to go and do a small strip there. So for this one, I'm just gonna pencil in the line that I need, and then I'm just gonna cut it.
Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar. Simmer down and mess me up. Tripping like
So I have been working on this for quite a long time, and then we stopped for dinner. Originally I had brought this piece of adhesive all the way down onto this second and third lip, and I just kept looking at it and I didn't really care for the way it looked. It just looked like I don't know, it was just a bit clunky around the corners. It didn't look very nice. So what I've done now is just cut away all of that extra little bit on this little tiny lip, and I've just made it so that it almost looks like a board is resting on top, because I wanted to see more of the white so that it would pop more with the rest of the dresser, because before all of that was wrapped around brown and then it was like this big white bottom and it just kind of looked a bit weird. So I feel like this looks a bit better. Now it shows that it's a white and a brown dresser, and I've put the TV back on and everything, and actually I have really bad streaks. I need to like redo that. But I feel like it looks so cool. So we have to spray paint the knobs tomorrow. So we'll be spray painting those gold, because Phoenix does have a lot of gold accents in his room. Yep. He's got gold curtain rods. So when you walk in, it looks pretty fun. I mean, it's definitely a great option. It was $5 for the paper, and it's definitely kind of updated his dresser and made it look a little bit newer and nicer without having to get a new dresser or do a whole lot of work. Well, sorry, this was a lot of work. I'm gonna say this was actually a lot more than I had bargained for, just because the paper is kind of it's a pain. The corners are kind of difficult. Once you get your groove, it's fine on the front part. The top was the trickiest for me because I messed up a ton on there. But the fronts, honestly, if I could redo it again, I probably would have just skipped the whole top and just done the front of the drawers and then just left it at that. I think it looks really cool. Phoenix, what do you think, buddy?
Love it.
You love it? Yep. It looks so cool, doesn't it? And I'll pick back up tomorrow when we're spray painting our knobs. We've got our knobs. They're washed, they're dried. Show me the paint, babe. We're painting with the Rust-Oleum metallic. It doesn't say the color, but I'm pretty sure it's pure gold. This is what we used on our other knobs, so let's hope this is the right one. Jay's gonna spray because he's so amazing at it.
Exquisite.
Ooh, cute! Look how pretty they're gonna look. Bean, are you excited?
Yeah.
They're gonna look so cool. The dresser is complete. The knobs look amazing. I love the way it turned out. Phoenix thinks it looks super cool. It's got a really cool vibe. We already had the spray paint, so technically this was a $6 makeover for us. But if you buy the spray paint, I'm assuming it'll probably be about $10. So yeah, I'm really excited. I feel like it looks really good. It's definitely given it a nice little update. You know, it's just kind of changed the look in here. It's a little bit retro looking, but then it's kind of a little bit more modern compared to what it was. And it just kind of has a bit more style to it now. Like, it's not just a plain white dresser that looked like it had had a very hard life. And now it looks really cool, and it looks like it's perfect for a 9-year-old boy's room. So now he's got his TV, his little animals over there with his picture, and then he's got his Nintendo in there and his little incense burner. And he's got a really cool and still very functional dresser, because the dresser's amazing. Like, it's really such a great dresser and it fits so much. It's just the fact that it was really, really just looking a bit rough. So that's what it looks like from the front. That's what you can see. And then that's what it looks like from the side. So it's just looking really cute. I love it. What do you boys think?
I love it.
You do?
Sweet.
Yeah.
Doesn't it look so cool?
Yeah.
So cool.
Go and test it out. Open a drawer, get a vibe.
Okay.
Get a feel.
Get a feel for it. Doesn't it look great with the knobs?
Looks so cool.
Yeah. Pretty cool. He's got his grabber. He's ready to go, get dressed, get his stuff out of his cool dresser. Do you love it?
Yeah, let me see if I know.
Oh my gosh, do not scratch those knobs. Okay, yeah, let's not do that. Don't you feel like it kind of looks a little bit more like grown up in here now for him?
Oh, totally.
Phoenix, you're like so cool. That was a fun one, wasn't it? And you got to help me do it.
Yeah?
So, high five.
No way.
Oh.
High three.
High three, thank you. Okay guys, so there we go. There is my $10 dresser. Please excuse my dog, she's chasing my children. There's my $10 dresser makeover. She's all riled up because I said the word walk, so now she's waiting for her leash. I hope you guys enjoyed and found that helpful. It was definitely a bit time consuming, but I think it was really worth it, and for under $10, you cannot, I mean, for us it was $6. It was the price of the liner because we already had the gold spray paint, but if you're gonna buy spray paint as well, spray paint's what, I think it's around $5. I don't know, maybe it's gone up since the last time I bought spray paint, but I'll put the exact price that it costs for that spray paint and that easy liner in the description box, and I will link both of them for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed and found this helpful, or at least just enjoyed watching the transformation. I love that kind of stuff. So love you guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.